Falling to the right, ever so slightly. Yeah, you can see it, can't you, mate? Just that angle there. I know for a fact it was because my former father-in-law. And those protesters holding up that pointless sign, Churchill, just here. Now, tomorrow in London is protest day. Most Tuesdays, by the statue of Churchill, you'll see the only Donald Trump supporter in London with a flag.
It does not. Hey, become like you do.
Named after Lord Shaftesbury and also known for its theatres, and in front of us to the right is bright as flying at sea. When it flies on land, it is the Union flag. Palace of Westminster. Called that because the old palace was destroyed by fire in 1834 to 28 people. It would take you half an hour for a complete rotation. On a clear day, you can see 25 miles or 40 kilometres from the top.
What's your name, Meikha? Wait. Wow.
Lawns here. On the right hand side is the Colony and War Memorial, and a statue closest to us is of